Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE X100 and let me show you how to add and then remove the Google account from this device. So first of all, let's open the full list of apps. Then let's scroll down and find the settings. Scroll down and find users and accounts. Click on it, and as you can see, we've got no previously added accounts. In order to add a new one, click on Add Account. Choose obviously Google. Make sure that you're connected with the internet and wait a second. And as you can see, from that level you can either create a new account if you do not have your own, or simply type your email or phone. Let me do this. Click on Next. And here you have to enter your password. Let me do this out of the screen. And simply after entering your password, click on Next. Click on Next again. And here we've got some Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course, you can read them if you want. Simply tap on them. And here we've got all the info. After that, click on I agree. And here we've got some info about backup and storage. Click on Accept, and as you can see, we've just added our Google account to this device. In order to remove it, nothing easier, simply click on it, and here click on Remove Account. If you are ready, click on Remove Account, and as you can see, it has been deleted. So that's all. This is how to add and then remove a Google account from your DOOGEE X100. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.